Let's start working on part B now. So suppose that the firm offers this wage where we have a fixed salary and a bonus based on production. What's going to be the optimal level of A and B? Okay, so what happens here? Instead of the wage, we're not going to have just a base salary A, we're going to have A plus B times Q. Let's substitute that into the utility function because the first step is to find out the optimal effort that the guy chooses to put. Then, with that said, we can see what is the salary to attract him. So first things first, find optimal effort level, right? Actually, let me write like that, effort, right? Optimal effort. Now, what's going to be the utility function? The utility will be A plus B times the quantity, A plus B times the quantity. What is the quantity? Well, the quantity, we can see it over here, that's theta multiplied with E. So we have theta multiplied with E, then plus gamma times E, that is the joy of work, and minus the cost of effort. So minus 1 over 2 theta e to the power of 2. Now we have utility as a function of the effort. We can differentiate it with respect to effort and make it equal to 0. Utility derivative with respect to effort equals to 0. Let's see what's that going to be. So we start from here. A derivative with respect to effort, that's just a constant, so it's 0. B times theta times E derivative with respect to the effort level is just the constant of B times theta, plus gamma times E derivative with respect to effort is just gamma, minus 1 over 2 theta E squared derivative with respect to effort is 1 over 2 times theta times E to the power of 2 derivative is 2E. Make it equal to 0. Now, cancel out some stuff over here. 2 and 2 go away, so we have B theta plus gamma minus theta times the effort level equals to 0. Now, let's take the effort term to the other side. What do we have? We have B theta plus gamma equals to theta times the effort level, meaning that the effort level is gonna be equal to B times theta plus gamma divided by theta. So the effort level is gonna be equal to B times theta plus gamma divided by theta. Now, that's the first thing. That's the first step that we calculated. The next thing is to see what is the base salary to attract the worker, and for that we must keep the participation constraint in mind. So we're basically replicating the method that we had in the previous part, but now we just have a different wage scheme. That's all it is. So the utility must be at least V. So if utility equals to the alternative utility, what's that going to be? Well, the utility function we just saw, that's equal to all this thing over here. So the utility function is A plus all of that. Let's write it. A plus B times theta times the effort level plus gamma times the effort level minus 1 over 2 theta e to the power of 2 equals to V, which is the alternative utility. Now, with that said, what we're going to do, we're going to substitute the effort level. We're going to substitute the effort level with what we calculated a couple of minutes ago. So we're going to have A plus, we're going to have over here A plus B times theta times the effort level, and let's keep the effort level in green. So we're going to have B times theta plus gamma divided by theta. Now we go further. We have plus gamma times another effort level, another green. So we have B theta plus gamma divided by theta minus the cost of effort. So we have minus 1 over 2 times theta times the effort level to the power of 2. So one more green to the power of 2. We have B theta plus gamma divided by theta to the power of 2. All of this equals to the alternative utility of V. So this is equal to V. Now, with that said, we can open the brackets. Let's see what we get. We have over here A plus B theta times this thing. So we're going to multiply every term, and let's try to keep some different colors for that. B theta times B theta, that's going to be B square theta square plus B theta times gamma. So we have B theta gamma, B theta gamma divided by theta. All of this divided by theta. Now we go to the next term over here, plus, and we do the same. Gamma times this term will be gamma B theta, and then gamma times gamma is plus gamma squared divided by theta. Then we go on. We have over here minus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 times theta times. Now we open the brackets over here and see what we get. We have the following. Let's open this bracket. So B theta plus gamma to the power of 2. Well, that's going to be first term B theta to the power of 2 plus 2 times B theta times gamma plus gamma squared. And by the way, by the way, this is just the same as a plus b to the power of 2 equals to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. We treat this one as a and the other one as b. Hope this makes sense. Now we also raise theta to the power of 2, so we divide all of it by theta squared, and this must equal to the alternative utility v. Okay, now we go on. Theta and 1 theta cancel out, so let's keep writing. What do we have here? What do we have here? We have the following. We have this entire thing has the same denominator. That's theta, and that's also theta. So we could write all of that under one fraction, and we'll do so because we'll see that we can cancel out some stuff. We have a plus, and on the numerator we'll write this entire line. So we have b squared theta squared plus b theta gamma, and we'll keep different colors for each of them just to keep track easier, plus b theta gamma. I'm writing this slightly differently because we'll see is the same thing, so it's easier to keep track, plus gamma squared. Now minus, we have here minus 1 over 2. We could write it in the numerator, so we're gonna keep it like that. And by the way, this minus 1 over 2 is gonna be multiplied with this entire thing, right? It's gonna be multiplied with this entire thing, so we could multiply it with every term because this is one bracket. This is one bracket. This is the green bracket to the power of 2. Hope this all makes sense. So minus 1 over 2 times minus 1 over 2 multiplied with b times theta to the power of 2, that's b squared times theta squared. Then we're going to have minus 1 over 2 times 2. Well, 1 over 2 times 2 cancel out, so we're left only with minus, right? We're left only with minus b theta gamma. So b theta gamma, and then minus 1 over 2, change colors for that, minus 1 over 2 multiplied with gamma squared. So we're left with minus 1 over 2 gamma squared. Now, all this thing divided by theta. So we're gonna divide all this thing, all this divided by theta, because it's a common denominator, make it equal to the alternative utility v. Now, with that said, we could start grouping some terms because we have common terms over here. Okay, let's make space like that. We have a plus. Now, what can we group? Let's see. B squared theta squared. Any other b squared theta squared? Yes, minus 1 over 2 b squared theta squared. So 1 minus a half gives us only a half. We have a half b squared theta squared. Now, what else can we group? We have b theta gamma over here plus another b theta gamma minus b theta gamma. So this one and this one goes away, and we're left only with plus b times theta times gamma, plus b theta gamma. Now we keep moving. What else do we have? We have, where was it? We're left with plus gamma squared minus 1 over 2 gamma squared. So 1 minus a half is plus a half gamma squared, all of it divided by theta. So all of this divided by theta, equals to v. Now, what else can we do here? Well, this entire thing, so this entire thing over here, let me see, I think we could write it as like one bracket to the power of 2, but I can't come up with that bracket at the moment. Let me see if it's worth doing so. So 1 over 2 b, hold on a second, I'm gonna pause this. Yeah, never mind, we could just write it like that as it is. So we'll keep our base salary like that. We'll have a equals 2, and we'll take all the terms to the other side. We'll take all the terms on the other side, so we will have as a result, v minus 1 over 2, so v minus 1 over 2 b squared theta squared divided by theta. That's, we took the first term to the other side, we take the other term to the other side, so we have minus b theta gamma divided by theta, and then we take the last term to the other side, so we're left with minus 1 over 2 gamma squared divided by theta. Hope this all makes sense. That's the base salary that we must pay, and in the next video we'll also see what is the profit level.